In a quiet farming village lived an old farmer named Baba Karim. He was known for growing the best crops in the entire village. His farm was always green and full of life. One day, a young farmer named Haris visited him. "Baba Karim," Haris said, "your crops are always the best. What is your secret?" The old man smiled, but said nothing. Instead, he gave Haris a small bag of seeds. "Plant these," he said. Haris happily planted the seeds in his field, but weeks passed and nothing grew. Haris became frustrated. He returned to Baba Karim. "These seeds are useless," he complained. Baba Karim laughed gently. "Did you prepare your soil well?" he asked. Haris thought for a moment. "No, I just planted them." Baba Karim explained. Good seeds only grow in prepared soil. Haris understood his mistake. He returned to his field and worked hard. He cleaned the land, removed rocks, and enriched the soil. Then he planted new seeds. This time the crops grew beautifully. Haris realized that success does not depend only on opportunity. It also depends on preparation. Lesson: success grows where effort and preparation meet. Subscribe for more interesting stories.